Honing. In this video, we are going to see about honing. What is honing? Honing is a grinding or abrading process. In it, a very little material is removed. This process is used primarily to remove the grinding or tool marks left on the surface by previous operations. Let us see the simple operation of honing process. The cutting action is obtained from abrasive sticks, that is, aluminum oxide or silicon carbide, mounted in a mandrel or fixture. A floating action between the work and the tool prevails so that any pressure exerted on the tool is exerted and transmitted equally on all sides. Coolants are essential to the operation of this process to flush away small chips and keep temperatures uniform. The honing tool is given a slow reciprocating motion as it rotates, having resultant honing speeds from 15 to 60 mpm. This action results in rapid removal of stock and at the same time the generation of a straight and round surface. Most honing is done on internal surfaces or holes such as automobile cylinders. Honing tool. Let us see the 3D model of the honing tool. This horn has dozens of abrasive strips which move inward and outward for controlling depth of cut. Horizontal honing. Let us see the 3D model of the horizontal honing tool. Horizontal honing machines often used for finishing internal bores of long shafts, gun barrels, etc. Vertical honing. Let us see the exploded view of the vertical honing tool. Vertical honing machines often used for finishing holes of small in length and large in diameter. The movement of the abrasive with respect to the workpiece bore generates a helical pattern with a characteristic crosshatch angle determined by the relative spindle and stroke speeds used.